Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your name in Among Us. To change your name in Among Us, open up the Among Us application on your device. From the main menu, go ahead and tap on the My Account button on the bottom left. Now click on Account. You will then be able to see your account information page. Click on Change Name and enter your new name in the text box. You can type down your own name of your preference, or you can also click on the loop icon in order to use automated generated usernames. After you find the username or type down the username, click on Confirm. And that's how you easily change your username or your name in Among Us. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Among Us tips and tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.